Hello everybody, it's Brenda. I'm here today with your daily horoscope for July 9th, 2020. And we're starting with Aries. Romance tends toward a more lightened flirtatiousness with today's celestial energy. If you are wondering how to go about finding that special person, then you would be better off seeking out some new social groups if possible that share similar ideas and those who hold your interest. In this kind of situation, you will have far more success and opportunity. Be adventurous. So that was Aries. Taurus. The current planetary alignment could create a degree of tension between you and a loved one. You have managed to come to some kind of agreement on how you would like to proceed in the future, but over the course of the day discover that you don't hold the same ideas about the method by which you hope to achieve your goal. Perhaps the end result needs redefinition. So that's Taurus. Now we're doing Gemini. Don't sweat the small stuff in your relationship today, as your attention is far better given to much bigger and exciting and definitely more challenging issues. The current planetary influences may indicate a slight holdup in both of you getting where you want to be, but don't despair or think that perhaps it's not meant to be. If you can be patient, everything will be fine. That's the Gemini. Cancer. Current astral energies may indicate that someone with whom you thought you had a special relationship, or at least a deeper understanding, may not be quite the person you thought they were. If you had any romantic inclinations toward them, perhaps this is a blessing right now, as you get the chance to see that both of you may be better off not getting any further involved. So that was the Cancer. Leo. If you had any hopes of social outing or a date, then you may have to scale them down substantially. The astral environment is creating one or two obstacles, which means that you won't be able to make the grand entrance that you had envisioned. In fact, it would be better off if you and your partner enjoyed a less glamorous evening and enjoyed the intimate meal together instead, if possible. So that was Leo. Virgo. The current celestial energy could indicate that as far as current partnerships are concerned, there may be a source of tension present. This seems to involve plans for the future and also beliefs you have about each other and your relationship. It could be that you are being unrealistic and overambitious in one or two areas. Get this right and everything will fall into place. So that was the Virgo. Libra. All kinds of social occasions will be very successful with the current celestial energies at play. Romance is promising, but not very passionate, which is actually no problem for you, as you prefer to take things lightly until you are sure that you're making the right decision. Someone you meet will have all the qualities you admire and have plenty of time to get to know them. So that was the Libra. Scorpio. Scorpio, the current aspect gives you all the confidence you need to express your feelings to someone whom you admire intensely. You have wondered if it would be better to let them have the first word, but time is passing and you may be impatient to start the ball rolling. A conversation you have with them today could be very significant. You will feel juvenile. So that's Scorpio. We got Sagittarius. You may find that one conversation in particular leads to a romantic liaison that is very promising. The astral energy may bring about the chance to talk more in depth with someone whom you sense you would really get on with very well. It may be rather unusual, its subject matter, but you will realize that you are on the same wavelength. So that was Sagittarius. Capricorn. The planets are aligning to encourage you to lighten up and have some fun after a time of much hard work. If you are in a permanent partnership, then it will help you both to relax and able you to spend some time together. If you're hoping to meet someone who is upwardly mobile, then this could just be the opportunity you have been waiting for. So that's Capricorn. Aquarius. You may be feeling more lighthearted and juvenile than you have for some time and ready to have some fun. The planetary energies encourages you to dress in some of your more unusual outfits to get ready to sparkle. Romance is quite possible, but it may not happen the way that you had envisioned it and could come out of the blue. So that is Aquarius. Now we're doing the Pisces. The current astral energy is wonderful for creating genuinely warm and jolly atmosphere. Your romantic life could head off in quite a new exciting direction, mainly because you feel ready for a change from this kind of partnership you have tended to attract in the past. This may not be because of immediate passion. It may not be a case of immediate passion, but it currently won't be long. Okay, everybody, that was your daily horoscope reading for July 9th, 2020. Until tomorrow.